Hey guys, this is Hari. In this video, we are going to unbox Sony Wireless Earbud. Without any further time, let's get straight into the video. Here is the box, and the box looks so classy. We got a blue color variant. Now let's unbox it. Tada! Here comes the Sony truly wireless earbuds. Let's keep it aside. As usual, they gave us a Type-C USB cable and extra earbuds. In addition to status LEDs, each earpiece has a single multifunction button on the lower outer panel. Depending on the ear, you can use the button to control playback and track navigation. Let's talk about the design now. The included overcharging case is a bit larger than most, but the earpieces are also on the bigger end of the spectrum. The flip-top case has a status LED on the inside and a port for the included USB-C charging cable on the back panel. Both earbuds have separate controls. To increase the volume, press the button on the left unit once during music playback to increase volume by one step. To decrease the volume, press and hold the button on the left unit during music playback to decrease the volume continuously. Release the button at desired volume level. To play and pause, press the button once briefly on the right unit. To play next track, press the button twice quickly. To play the previous track, press the button 3 times quickly. The best feature of this earbud is the battery life. While it has a decent 18 hours of total battery life including the charging case, the battery life on the buds itself is 9 hours. First thing you will notice when listening to them is the bass. It's definitely present, but it's done in a way that feels tight and punchy rather than muddy and blotted. While it's easy to focus on some of negatives like polarizing design and lack of noise cancellation, these earbuds have a lot of going for them. Honestly, these are decent Apple AirPods competitors. They are the right price, having the right sound and even have a better battery life. And it's worth buying if you want solid sound and long lasting battery life. If you like to buy this product, there is a link in this video's description. And then don't forget to subscribe below.